This video will be managing your products in your Shopify store. From the admin homepage, go to the left-hand side, select products from the left-hand side menu. Here you're given your product dashboard for all the products that you have in your store. You have in the top right-hand corner the ability to export your products or import products. Any edits that you may make if you export a CSV file and you bulk edits, you have a More Actions button where you can hide this analytics bar here, or you can select to add product. That's covered in a different video. Here you have your product dashboard where you can sort your products based on all of your products, anything that's active, anything that's in a draft status, and products that you no longer sell or have out of stock and you've decided to archive. You can additionally set up new views for you to be able to sort your products quickly and efficiently based on collection or a variety of other sort types. Within your product dashboard here, you can sort A to Z for your products. You have your statuses of whether or not they're active, how much inventory you have, the sales channels that the product is integrated to, meaning where is this product sold, the different markets that your product is sold in based on what you have integrated to your store. These numbers will vary. The category that your product belongs to, and then the vendor that you have selling this product or that manufactures this product. If you create the product yourself, which again is covered in another video, this product may be manufactured by you and may be listing as your company's name. If you have a product that is manufactured by somebody else and sold in your store that you're integrating either through drop shipment or that you're taking in and holding inventory and warehousing it, then you'll list that manufacturer or vendor's name here. On the left-hand side, to sort through different parts of your product catalog, you can look at the different collections you have. You can manage inventory of your products. You can look at purchase orders for inventory that you've purchased to bring into your store, transfers, gift cards, and catalogs. All of these are covered in different videos. Here's the product dashboard from where you'll look at very macro high-level view of how your products are performing and being able to quickly get into a product for management. If you found this video helpful, click subscribe down below and follow us for more on setting up and running a business online. Keep working at your craft and building your business from the ground up.